Phonics class. In the previous video, we have learned 3-letter CVC words along with and family. If you are new to my channel, please refer my previous videos for better understanding. Now, I will teach you about 3-letter CVC words along with app family. Children, CVC simply means consonant, vowel, consonant. We have to always remember that blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Shall we start reading today? Yes, let's get started. Letter A. A makes the sound A. Letter P. P makes the sound B. A and P together makes the sound App. A. B. App. Now we are going to learn words with app sound. K. App. Cap. K. App. Cap. L. App. Lap. L. App. Lap. App. Map. App. Map. App. Nap. App. Nap. S. App. Sap. S. App. Sap. T. App. Tap. T. App. Tap. Children, now we are going to practice some more words. Practicing more words makes you perfect reader. Gap. Wrap. Yap. Zap. Children, now let's take a quick review. You all can join with me. Cap. Gap. Lap. Map. Nap. Wrap. Sap. Tap. Yap. Zap. Children, practice these words every day. I hope we all had fun reading today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon. to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.